In what way do Quran translations differ from Quran commentaries? A Quran translation is a direct rendering of the Arabic text into another language, usually with explanatory notes to aid understanding. By contrasting it with other forms of literature study, examining the Quran's aspects through conducting a comprehensive assessment, and gathering information from different sources, a Quranic commentary provides in-depth interpretations of every verse. Are there any free Quran study guides available online? Yes, there are many free Quran study guides available online for beginners. Websites such as Quranic can provide access to a variety of study guides, covering everything from basic Quranic vocabulary to more advanced theological concepts. Can I access Quranic apps offline? Many Quranic apps allow for offline access, meaning you can read and study the Quran even without an internet connection. On the other hand, it's crucial to confirm offline accessibility in the specific app you are utilizing. What should I look for when selecting a Quran for beginners? To ensure ease of comprehension, it is essential to opt for an accurate translation of the Quran, accompanied by clear explanatory notes for beginners. Fonts and typefaces should be legible, and the size of the Quran should be appropriate for ease of use. You may also want to contemplate which type of Quran suits your preferences better, physical or digital, for example an app or ebook.